Bro, why was shit in SpongeBob just blowing up? Squidward riding his bike, minding his business, fall off a cliff, blow up twice.
Remember your karma. What?
Then the second one, which I think this happened before that one I just showed, but still. Straight nuclear destruction on my boy, and just know where they came from too.
My thighs?
And then you blow up.
I ain't gonna stunt, this one right here, look, one of my personal favorites, you feel me? Mr. Krabs was so heated at the end of that too, bro. But like, what was the obsession with SpongeBob series blowing stuff up, bro? They hit the flow, no ball.